These are some interesting facts about human brain. Even the smallest dose of power can change a man. You've probably seen it. Someone gets a promotion or a bit of fame and then suddenly they are a little less friendly to the people beneath them. So here's a question that may seem too simple. Why? If you ask a psychologist, they may tell you that the power are simply too busy. They don't have the time to attend to their less powerful counterparts fully. To function properly, the human brain requires the ability to store and forget. Through memory loss, unnecessary information is deleted and the nervous system retains its plasticity. A disruption of this process can lead to serious mental disorders. Babies' brains grow by 1% each day, beginning right after infants are born, according to a new study that aimed to map newborn brains during their first 3 months of life. Researchers scanned the brains of 87 healthy newborns 211 times, starting when the babies were only 2 days old. They found that the newborn brain grows extraordinarily fast right after birth. The core component of the nervous system in general and the brain in particular is a neuron or nerve cell. The brain cells of popular language. A neuron is an electrically excitable cell that processes and transfers information by electrochemical signaling. It doesn't matter how smart teens are or how well they scored on the SAT or ACT. Good judgment isn't something they can excel in, at least not yet. The rational part of teens' brain isn't fully developed and won't be until age 25 or so. Sleeplessness makes you quite productive if you happen to be the brooding male lead in a major movie. A corporate drone creates an army, an ideology, and an alternate personality during his restless nights in fight clubs. Archaeologists have evidence of ancient surgery among the remains of people who lived in a settlement near Istanbul, Turkey between the 11th and 6th centuries. A skull buried among the many remains undergoing excavation in the location of the ancient Roman city of Bithynia. According to research, were only able to recognize 2 faces in a crowd at a time. Researchers said this is true even if the faces belong to famous people. They believe the latest findings provide insight into accuracy of eyewitness testimony. The human brain is capable of 1016 processes per second, making it far more powerful than any current computer. But that doesn't mean our brains don't have major limitations. Each day, the average person has about 50,000 thoughts. Some researchers put that number at 70,000 thoughts per day. Is it any wonder with this amount of inner traffic we lose touch with ourselves? The operation is known as hemispherectomy, where half the brain is removed. Sounds too radical ever to consider, much less performed in the last century. However, surgeons have performed it hundreds of times for disorders uncontrollable in any other way.